I joined this course to see, because I suffer from attention deficit disorder, poor memory, and anxiety, and all sorts of other things. I won't go into it. I joined this course to see what it can do for me, drawing or opening up or meditation. And I find it's very helpful. I have formed a huge bubble around my life, all my life. And I'm now beginning to creep out of it through your step-by-step guidance. I find it very helpful, although I don't always have time to go through them again. So with this course, it's going to help me, or your teaching, and I'm going to practice it again and again, because I'm now getting out of it and beginning to understand myself and what is going through my life and how I have protected it in a bubble. Don't want anything to upset it, doing this routine, doing that, and never found time for myself. It's always doing something, because my husband mobility problem, I'm doing everything for him. And I am always looking for ways to improve my life or give myself some time. And I've now found a way to do it. And thank you very much for your course.